Day 2 in Porto. Today was a pretty poor day because of the weather. Because it was raining, we went on a hop-on, hop-off bus. After a ride through the outskirts of town, we went to Palacio da Bolsa. This is a palace that played an important role in trading in the 19th century. Because Porto was an important harbor of Portugal. On the first floor there were multiple rooms and paintings of the Portuguese kings. The overall architecture was nice, but the highlight was the Arabic room. It was decorated very nicely and it was pretty impressive. After this visit, the weather cleared up a bit and it wasn't raining much anymore. We walked through town and we went to Mercado do Bolhau. Because the marketplace was gonna be rebuilt, the marketplace wasn't there anymore and it was at a new place. And at the new place it was okay, but it didn't really have that atmosphere of a real old marketplace. Later in the afternoon, we walked over the Ponte Luís Bridge, which gives a nice view of the skyline of Porto and Vila Nova de Gaia. After we walked down, we ate at a restaurant with a nice view of the Ponte Luís Bridge. After the dinner, we walked on the boulevard and then went back to our hotel to get ready for day 3.